thing is what I have said. It is so clear. The government, on the basis of its own assessment, any government takes decision. We have a right to demand certain things. And Sangha has said, yes, there should be something. We have not said this should be the step or action or that should be the. We have suggested address the incident, issues and the situation of Manipur immediately. We have not demanded whether this particular action should be taken or not. That is for the government, and on the basis of their assessment, they have taken a decision. They have clamped the precedent rule, they have kept it in suspension, and they have taken some administrative actions in the form of, for example, disarming the people, opening the highways. There are many such administrative things they have taken up. So I think because of that, some hopes have been raised. So we are happy that the government has addressed the situation, and people are also now feeling, because the Manipur people have come here, they are telling at least there is some succor now. So let us hope there will be more such actions on the part of the government, and the different sections of the society in Manipur, they will live harmoniously. So this is what we have expressed.